FeedbackWhiz Profits automatically aggregates data from all 20 Amazon marketplaces and Walmart. It tracks every penny from sales and fees to PPC costs and refunds, and presents it all through stunning, easy to understand dashboards. No more guesswork, just pure profits and clarity. Getting started is really easy. After signing up, you'll connect your Amazon Seller Central account or connect your Walmart account in a few easy steps. Once connected, you'll connect your PPC and then go into your expense manager to import all previous expenses. Then you will import all previous costs of goods within your COGS manager. And now we can go into the dashboard where the magic happens. Here you'll see your profit overview at a glance. You'll see total sales, expenses, and net profits across all your products and marketplaces. On your left, you'll see your navigation menu. The product section shows individual ASIN performance, while expenses lets you track everything from photography cost to storage fees. The reports section gives you deeper analytics with customizable date ranges. Notice how everything automatically converts to your preferred currency. Whether you're selling in the US, UK, Germany, or any of the other supported marketplaces, you'll be sure to have the right currency. Let's take on one of the powerful actions you can do right now after signing up. You can see the profit margin for each product, but here's where it gets really powerful. Click on any product to drill down deeper. You see the complete breakdown: Amazon fees, FBA costs, PPC fines, returns, refunds, and more. And now you're in the best position to make data-driven decisions. Maybe that product with a certain profit margin needs better PPC optimization. And for your winning products, you might want to increase inventory or expand to more marketplaces. You can even create custom ASIN groups by labeling them inside the product manager. Imagine grouping all your kitchen products together to see how that category performs as a whole. So stop making guesses about your Amazon and Walmart profits. With FeedbackWhiz Profits, you have the financial clarity you need to scale your business confidently. And remember, if you need any more tips, let us know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching.